Hello, dear students. Today we will learn about a new concept, that is acids and bases. As we have different taste buds, we can taste sour, bitter, sweet, and salty. Let us take some household things. This is vinegar, lemon, soap solution, toothpaste, curd, ENO powder, and baking soda. How can we distinguish these material as acid or base? Acids are those substances which are sour in taste. Among these all things, lemon, curd, and vinegar, these are sour in taste, so they are categorized as acid. Soap solution, ENO powder, baking soda, and toothpaste, they are bitter in taste, so they are categorized as base. Due to some salt or the flavoring agent, but the taste of toothpaste is not bitter due to some flavoring agent. There is reaction between acid and base. That reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. In our stomach, when there is more acid is produced, at that time we eat antacid tablets or we take ENO powder, as ENO is basic in nature. When we take ENO powder, it neutralizes extra acid. See here, this is baking powder. When we add this baking powder into vinegar, vinegar is acidic in nature and baking powder is basic, then there is a reaction. That reaction is known as the neutralization reaction. See, this is the neutralization reaction between acid and base, and whenever acid and base reacts together, there is formation of salt. This turbidities appear in this solution. This turbidity shows that there is neutralization reaction occurs between acid and base. Similarly, when this lemon is added into the baking powder or baking soda, neutralization reaction will take place. See this reaction, this is the neutralization reaction, and the formation of the salt will take place. That is shown by the turbidity of this reaction.